We're going on a mission today. And I'm also gonna shoot this video entirely on my smaller Canon G7X because I wanna use it more. So as you see behind me, the STI is still down. We need to fix that. As I mentioned before, we got 2 turbo inlets. One of them is the stock one, it fits. One of them is this stupid Cobb V1. It doesn't fit. So we need to go pick up a new turbo inlet. So what we're gonna go swing up to Brian's shop, the TMG shop. I wanna bring you guys along. I don't know if he's gonna be there or not, but he's gonna set out some goodies for us. We're also gonna grab some oil for the STI. So we're gonna go swing up there. We're gonna go grab the oil. We're gonna grab a new turbo inlet. We're gonna make this work because I tried calling a whole bunch of shops today. I called IAG, I called Cobb themselves. I called a whole bunch of other shops and nobody had any turbo inlets in stock. Weird. So we're going up there, we're gonna grab one, we're gonna hop in the BRZ, Melanie's coming along, we're gonna go get this thing and we're gonna make it work. Hello, Yegor. Oh, this car is dirty. Bruh. Let's go. Focus, focus, you can do this. Focus. All right, so we're about to head up to Brian's shop. We're going to TMG today. We're both relatively thirsty, so I'm going to go grab us some Red Bulls before we head up there because I think it's about like a 40, 30, 35, 30, 20, 30 minute drive or so. It's Tukwila. We're going to Tukwila, so I'm just gonna go swing by the coffee stand real quick and grab us some drinks and we're gonna hit the road. Now we go. Map says 28 minutes, so if anything exciting happens, we'll record it. If not, well, you know, I'll just see you in like 28 minutes my time, couple minutes your time. So we made it up to TMG. Melanie's already inside. We've been here for a little bit, but just grabbing some parts. But I do want to show you guys, it is a real place. So Brian's in his office. He's avoiding video like the plague right now as he stares through the window. It's very dark in here. There we go. Woo! Woo! But we are picking up some parts for the STI and the BRZ and the girlfriend's Impreza also. So she hated the horns on her car, so we snagged some hella horns while we were here. I have one of the fog lights demolished on the BRZ. I don't know, a rock demolished it before I had the car. So we're grabbing a set of fog lights. Need oil for an oil change on the STI and then also grabbing that turbo inlet. So let me set this guy. Oh dude, there's like a little perfect camera stand here. I keep telling you guys, man, this is where I buy all my parts from. Like, they are a real place, whatnot. So I mean, if you are looking, Mod Garage is not a bad place to snag it from. We also grabbed a hoodie while we were here. I don't know where Melanie or them went, but so they actually have a shop too. It's still work in progress a little bit, but it is like looking good. They've only been here like a month or 2 or something like that. I don't know. They have a bathroom. So I mean, if you have to go to the bathroom while you're waiting for installs, if you're getting installs done here, you can, but he is real. I tell you, Brian is real. He's the one who takes all my money, so huge shout out to him. So like I was saying, they've been a huge help, especially with the STI right now, being able to snag this turbo inlet. I do want to take a look at it real quick and show you guys what it is exactly we are picking up. This was not my first choice for turbo inlets. I do want to say that now, but since we are in a pinch, they were able to help and get this one to us. Well, I mean, I was able to snag it from, you know what I mean. Whoop. So we did snag this. There's tape on it. They taped it shut. So like I said, this was not my first choice for turbo inlets, but we did need one ASAP. So, oh look, we get a cool license plate frame. So, standard turbo inlet. This should be good for us. It's actually proper size. It has all the fittings for what we need. So we can at least get the car up and running again. So, now we don't have to wait weeks for a turbo inlet that is on back order. We are going to start heading out of here. Once again, huge shout out to TMG. They've been really cool. I also wanted to do this video just to get us out of the garage a little bit, just because we've been in the garage so much with the STI build and just hanging out. It's nice to be out in the world again. We are social distancing properly, so don't even try to yell at me. Let me pop the trunk here on the BRZ so I can start bringing this stuff out because there's a lot more boxes than I thought there was. Ended up getting more stuff than we thought. So like I said, fog lights, turbo inlet, would have preferred Morimoto, but they had these ones in stock, so we're gonna fix the bunk fog light on the BRZ. Because if you haven't seen it, that fog light is like shattered, and that bothers me. Plus they're like this weird yellow hue tinge to them. So we got some nice LED ones. I think the OLM ones will be pretty decent. Like I said, the girlfriend got some hella horns for Impreza. We needed an oil filter for the STI, and then we got enough oil, the 8100X Clean EFE for the STI. So that way we can actually get the oil changed and ready for the dyno tune. So the tune did get changed to the 15th of May instead of the 27th, just because I'm impatient and I didn't want to wait. So now that we have all the parts though, we can get everything set up. So I'm gonna hop in here real quick. I wanna say bye to everyone, or Brian at least, because he's the only one here right now. He's working late, he always works late. He's an awesome dude though. So let me hop in here real quick, say bye, and then we'll get back on the road and start headed home. All right, we're headed out from the shop. I was hanging out with Brian for a little bit. The lady and I are about to head back towards the house. So when we get there, I do want to kind of go over my car's locked. Hang on. Is it not locked? Oh, I guess it's not locked. I do kind of want to show you guys the Perrin turbo inlet compared to the Cobb one and then the OEM one, just to show you guys like why I had to, let me let this adjust. There we go. Just so I can show you guys the differences of why I needed to get this turbo inlet ASAP. Plus it was nice getting out of the garage, wasn't it?
Yep.
She's a lady of many words. Well, we'll recap when we get back to the house. My G7X battery is slowly starting to die, and we don't want that. We don't want this to die. Almost home. Have to stop at the gas station, grab some gas. Price of gas, still not very cheap. So like I said, huge shout out to Brian for coming in clutch on getting that turbo inlet for us. Without him, the build would have been on hold for like 2 weeks. BRZ is a happy camper yet again. Yeah, we got full gas tank. How much was that? That was only $10.73 to fill up the BRZ from half a tank. That is what I'm talking about.
It's 4.17 gallons.
4.1? 4.1
gallons.
That's a lot of gallons. I hate the fucking seatbelts in this car though. Like, Jesus, this is the dumbest thing, especially holding a camera. Let's go home so I can show you guys this turbo inlet real quick, and then I think we'll wrap this up. I'm kind of digging doing this weird vlog thing. If you guys are digging this, you like getting out and about in the world with me and outside of the garage, let me know. Drop it down in the comments. Give me a like. Whatever you feel like. Just let me know if you like it or not. But let's head home and check out these turbo inlets real quick. Ah, so many goodies. Can someone explain to me why I have so many turbo inlets? Like, I have 4 of them. Why? So this is the Cobb one that didn't fit. This is the Torque Solution one, or this is the Force Performance one, Torque Solution, I don't know. This is a big one I was gonna use for the FP Black that we didn't end up getting. This is the Secret Sauce one that's gonna work, the Perrin one. So this boy gonna sit right there on a turbo and make all the magic happen. So this is what was holding us up. So thankfully we got the part needed. Now that we have that turbo inlet, we can actually keep going on the STI build. I was really concerned. I was stressing out today trying to find a turbo inlet that would work with the car, that was like a good quality brand one. So Perrin, like I said, Perrin was not my first choice for turbo inlets. It is the one that the tuner recommended that we get, so it is the one that we got. So thank you again, Mod Garage and Brian, for being a huge, huge help in getting us what we needed. Like I said, I guess I just have a cool collection of turbo inlets now. Some people collect Beanie Babies. Some people collect Hot Wheels. I guess I collect turbo inlets. Little weird, right? But anyways, I really like shooting on this little camera, and I really like going out and actually vlog style kind of shooting. I don't know if you guys like it. Let me know. Drop something down below, and I'll start actually bringing like the cameras with me outside of just the garage, because this is what we see all the time. This is the same like background setting, backdrop all the time. So I know it's cool. We do a lot of cool stuff in here, but hey, I like getting out into the world a little bit more, so if it's something that you guys would watch and something that you'd want to watch, go ahead, like I said, drop it down in the comments and let me know. Thankfully, that car is still taking me around everywhere that I need to go since that turns down. But anyways, if you guys like the video, you know what to do. Go ahead, hit that like button. If you are looking for parts, it's not a bad idea to hit up the Mod Garage. They have really good pricing and they're super awesome peeps. Brian is a little camera shy, so he didn't really want to be on camera. But anyways, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, check it out. We got a lot of cool stuff going on with the STI right now. It should be up and running by the end of this week now that we have this turbo inlet. And the tune did get rescheduled for the 15th, so a lot of good stuff coming up. But anyways, if you do want to subscribe, I'll put it right up here in this top right, my left, your corner tonight. You know what I mean? Bam, right there. And with that, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, homies.